Okay, and welcome back to this video. And this video is about an exercise. We have a short exercise that to test your knowledge on how far you've come, whatever you've learned previously. So the first question is that write a code to calculate the area of a circle with a radius of 15 centimeters. So here you need to know the formula for calculating the area of a circle, and that is pi r squared, right? So we're going to use pi r squared, and you're going to do that. So you can solve it and then on your own, but I'm going through, this is how we are supposed to solve it. First, I would want you to try your hands on it, and then you come back to watch this video, okay? So you can know that you have learned something or not. But this is the solution to this exercise. So first, we need to have our pi to be 3.14. So we have you have our integer, which is pi, okay, equals 3.14, and you can see that here. But one thing here we can do is that this is a variable, okay, and when you initialize a variable like this, it means it can be reassigned to maybe 23, okay, but we don't want that situation. Pi is a constant, and we don't want it to be assigned again. So what we can do to prevent this is that we will add a const keyword to this. So you say const, meaning const an integer of pi 3.14, and we have a point in it, so we're going to say double. So const double pi equals 3.14. So that is our pi now, and our radius is also 4. So we're going to say integer radius equals what? 15. All right, so we know the formula to be pi r squared, so we can say, let me add it here, pi r, so pi times r times r, okay, so pi r squared, so r times r and then times pi. So we need to know how we're going to set this. So we can say int area equals pi r squared. So we're going to say pi times r squared. So we're going to say radius, we are using the variable, so radius times radius, okay. So here we having pi times radius, so it would be best if we wrap this one inside a bracket too, so that we know that this this calculation will be done and then it will be multiplied. So the product of this will be multiplied by py. So we have this, so that is pi raised to the power 2, okay. So pi squared, so this one would take care of the pi squared, and then it the radius squared, sorry, to take care of the radius squared, and then to multiply the pi. So this is what we have. So we can say C out area, okay, and then let me see, we can have the area of the circle is this is this, and then we can have our centimeters added, so centimeters added to it. So let's run it and see. If we get errors, we come back to, I hope we don't get any error. So let's do this. Okay, so the area of the circle is 706 centimeters. So okay, there's no space right here. So let's see. The area of the circle is 706 centimeters. So we have 15 raised to the power 2, which is somewhere 255, and multiplying this. So probably that is it. That's the area of the circle we have here. So that is what we have done. So if you got this, congratulations, you've been able to solve that first question. Now let's move on straight to this. Now here it's saying that write a code to calculate the area of a rectangle with a length of 23.45 and a height of 14. So here we do a double length equals 23.45, and then we have our integer of height 14, and then we know the area to be length times breadth, so we have int area equals length times height. So we'll have this right here. So we say cout area, and here we can also add the text that we added. So see out the area of the rectangle is area. So we can say area of rectangle. So let's run this one and see. So before metric constant expected line 17 int height equals, right? So we have a typo right here, so let's solve it. And the area of a circle is this area of the rectangle is 706. So let's see. Let's area of this, so length times height. So let's end this line right here, and 23 by 14. So, and it is the same thing, 706 centimeters, 706 centimeters. Let's be sure it's true. So let me change this one to 10 and see, probably 230 somewhere. So now there was an issue right somewhere here. So okay, we're also writing the area. So this is what we are supposed to print out. So here we are supposed to print this one and not the area. So let me run again, and so it's 234. The area of the rectangle is 234, and you can see that is 23.45 times 10 is 23.45. all right, so and then we have the last one, which says write a code to calculate the profit of a shop whose cost of production is $23,000 and revenue is $34,560. So we will say here we would have int the revenue minus cost of production. So int profit is equal to revenue minus cost of production. So we just do cout 2 angle brackets, and then we say profit. Of course, that is it. So let's run it and see. And before I run it, let me check. I have to end a line here. Okay, so I have to end this line, and let me run this. So we are checking out the profits, that is revenue minus the cost of production. So let's see how much will be our profit for this, and our profit is 11,560. Are we sure of this? Now revenue is 23,000. okay, and then the revenue is 34,560, and then the cost of production is 23,000. So deducting, we'll get 11,560. Good. So the profit okay, so the profit of the shop is then we add the dollar sign right here, and we do this. Okay, so the profit of the shop is, let's see how we do it. So the profit of the shop is $11,560. So this is the solution to the exercise number 1. If you're able to do it, congratulations. If we're not able to do it, find the loophole and correct your errors. Okay, now this is it. I'll go through the video, and you'll be able to solve all the questions right here. So this is the solution to the exercise number 1. See you in the next video.